Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have electronic devices in your home, then you need this amazing charging station from Scosche. I hate having to find cords to charge my stuff, and I hate the chaos that having 50 different cords creates. With this charging station, all of that is eliminated and everything is just nice and organized in one space. What I really love about this charging station is it's modular, which means that you can customize it to what you need. Now, personally, I have the Baselynx version that contains the wireless charging pad as well as the vertical charging station, and that's perfect for our family. We are able to keep it right on a nice side table that's easy to access for everybody. This charging station plugs into the wall with one power source, but from that one power source, I am able to charge 3 different wired devices as well as my wireless charging on my phone. I just think that's absolutely amazing. I have taken all these cords and just put it down into one charging station. This charging station has 2 USB-A ports as well as a USB-C port that you can plug into. I personally found that a 1-foot cord was what I needed to reach all of my devices and still keep that nice and clean look to it. The wireless charging station has a nice woven fabric on it, and the vertical station has non-slip rubber gripping, so all of my devices sit in there really nice. I like that everybody in my family can use this, so whether we're charging our phones, tablets, portable gaming devices, or even our smaller computers, we are able to set it right in here and it just really has a nice clean look. So if you're ready to have a designated space to charge all your devices with a nice clean sleek look, check out this modular charging station from Scosche. And that's just our point of view.